Hi everyone, my name is Lizzie and I'm here to show you our 2014 Toyota Sienna BRAUNABILITY powered ramp van. Currently on this vehicle, there is 26,896 miles and it is a 3.5 liter engine. On this van, for opening the door, you can either pull it and it will open automatically, or there's a remote on the keychain, and if you hit it, it can close and open also. If you want the ramp to come out, there's a button in the interior and there's a remote, just like this one, and you hit number 2 twice, and it automatically pulls the ramp open for you. And there's no hassle, and even if they can walk, it's more easier for the customer or the passengers to come into the van. On the left side, I'm going to show you guys the left side of the van. On the left side, it's just like the passenger side, but there is no ramp on the driver's side. But you can hit the button once and it opens the door. Also, there's buttons in the interior for the doors. They're right here, and it will close the door for you. Also, for the doors, there's a button by the driver and passenger side that opens, and it opens it right up for you, and then the ramp goes down also. So there are many ways you can open the doors or open the ramp up, so you don't have to always use the button remote. You can always use the buttons indoor the vehicle, and it makes it a lot easier for everyone.